Just had a walk for 15 minutes. That rejuvenated my entire physio-psyche. This is the East Hampton Beach House. It's a marvelous structure, overcasted, misty at East Hampton Beach. I'm the only one here today overlooking bathhouse, which is also for rent. There are a lot of moisture in the air. If I walk for 15 minutes, that will be enough to rejuvenate to a higher degree. We've been coming here for a long time. Me, my two daughters, my wife, we always have a good time. But I still have that same craziness. Get a feel for the vibrance of the ambience of these Hamptons, the air, the water, sand, early spring, grasses are growing. It is a joy for me to be here. I won't be here for too long. A little bit of chill of the Hamptons Beach. That is good enough to keep myself uphill. This water line, these roaring waves are fantastic. Rhythmic, foamy, roaring waves. Fabulous. It has no destructive nature. Rather, it has a soothing appeal. These are the surfing waves. Beautiful. Absolutely fascinating. I can see the layers of the crest of the waves. If you like my passion for water, subscribe my channel.